Hey there guys, welcome to another video. After a long time, for which I am sorry, but from now I will try my best to stay consistent. Anyways, so in today's video I am going to show you how I created this micro world. It is not a tutorial, but I will kind of give you an overview, so without further ado let's get started. So due to some issue my recording does end started from the beginning, but I just imported this image and masked it out. After this I imported this rock texture and warped it along the side and color corrected it and then masked it out. Then I repeated the same process for the other side. Then I imported this image and use it for water and make some adjustments to make it realistic. Then I used this rock image to give it depth and repeated the same process of the other sides. Then I make a quick highlights. on the edge, and that's pretty much it. This is how I created this micro world inspired by Benny Productions, and if you want a detailed tutorial, let me know in the comment box below.